Well, hello there. What do we have here in this picture from your textbook? Wow, what's this big round thing? Ooh, it's an egg cell, right? Not just any old egg cell, it's a human egg cell. This entire unit is about human stuff. And so, big old round egg cell, and what are all these little guys knocking on the door? They're obviously sperm cells, right? Yeah, little guys compared to the egg cell, but they carry the same number of chromosomes, do they not? Each one of these little sperm cells in this part right here is carrying how many chromosomes in humans? Half of each pair. How many pairs? Let's see, 23 pairs. And so each gamete, each human gamete, including human sperm cells, is carrying 23, half of each pair. So each one of these sperm cells is carrying 23, and the egg cell is carrying 23. So we got bazillions of little guys knocking on the door. How many get to go in? Just one. It doesn't go in too far, just far enough to fire those little chromosomes on into the interior of the egg cell, where fertilization can take place. What happens? Why can't the rest get in? Well, the surface of the egg cell instantaneously changes in a way that for the rest of the sperm cells, boom, 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 it's like knocking on a concrete wall. It doesn't work. They're locked out, so to speak. So, human egg cells, human sperm cells. One egg cell, lots of sperm cells. Let's look at another picture here. A diagram from your textbook. That's about sperm production and egg production. Now you don't have to know these big words or these words along here. Let's just get the main point, a couple main points. Spermatogenesis, that's about sperm production. Oogenesis, that's about egg production. What process is being illustrated here? Well, meiosis. It's kind of a little outline of meiosis. And so there is a difference here that we should note, and I'll be putting it on the dry erase board in our next little video. But what is that difference? The difference is in how many of the daughter cells actually become gametes. On the male side of the program, when a parent cell divides by meiosis, how many of the daughter cells, it's a little funny talking about daughter cells on the male side, but oh well. Anyway, on the male side, when a parent cell divides by meiosis, forming the 4 daughter cells, how many of them become sperm cells? All 4 of them. All 4 of them. However, on the female side, when a parent cell divides by meiosis, only how many of the daughter cells are egg cells? Only 1. And this is not a unique human situation. It happens throughout nature. For example, we'll see when we study plants, that plants, when on the female side of the program, when meiosis takes place, only 1 good product of meiosis, the rest will go by the wayside. Same thing here. 1 egg cell out of the 4 daughter cells, the other 3 are called polar bodies, and it says they'll be degraded. That means taken apart, their molecules, there's recycled, their molecules used for other purposes. All right, that's our introduction. Let's go on back to the lesson material.